Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wish all of you is always well. So in this video I will make again the feedback of my trade on week 6. I will start from day 1, which is on the 6th February 2023. Okay, the week 6 was a little bit not so nice because the profit power was going to 50% and the loss also 50%. But that is the best that I can do in this kind of mission. And now the amount is a little bit less. Okay, so it's not so nice on this mission 3. Okay, this mission 3, because we start from the week 1, it's 31.9. okay, and at the last mission 3 it was 31.11. okay, so this is not good result, because 50-50, that means you are still lost in this kind of financial instrument. But that is a good lesson, and now we will discuss on my feedback. Okay, so I will do it fast. Okay, so this is day 26 now, and let's see what's happened in the number 1. Okay, number 1 was out of the money, which is OTM. The main reason, which is the I read mostly ranging here. Okay, this movement, it's showing me ranging. Okay, so I think it will going up, my expectation, but you see my expectation is based on dragonfly doji, or is this a doji, which is in this kind of strong downtrend. The doji could happen the opposite one, which is the selling pressure, because the major was downtrend, and it's the open position was against the major downtrend in ranging market. Okay, so that is why it's just make a pullback here. This is a pullback, so we have to know what is the pullback thing. The pullback is the candle that is not have momentum, like this, or not have it has momentum but it's lost momentum. You see, it's like this candlestick. This is not a morning star. I thought this is a morning star. Okay, because this is the bullish hammer, but the bullish hammer will fail on the pullback. Okay, which is the consolidation. It's a bearish hammer, bearish. Okay, so that is the main reason why it's lost. But here was level 61.8. you see, it's kind of give a little bit sense to going up. So this is like subjective decision, which is not good in trading, because subjective I means only expected on some level like this 61.8. it was a level, but it's not guaranteed that it will always to become a support or always to become a resistance. Okay, especially in this kind of context. And from the perspective of Bollinger Band, it's the price is between one deviation and one deviation upper and lower Bollinger Band, which is the most probably the consolidation will there, or ranging. And that is my reason why I lost here, because I'm against the major trend in this kind of ranging market. Make a decision based on a doji. This could be a buying pressure, but it's not a strong trend. This is not a strong trend, because this is major down, so it's like contradictive. So that is why this happening, and I only subjective perspective, make a subjective perspective, which only see 61, only see this hammer. Okay, this hammer, okay, in 3 candle, and this doji as a confirmation for buying pressure, but it's not, because the major was against us. Okay, so that is why I'm lost here, and I will continue to go to the number 2. So option number 2 was kind of profit here. Okay, but you see the entry point only the savior, so the analysis was wrong because I'm thinking or expecting, guessing. Okay, it's like the level 61 38.2 micro, so this is kind of ranging, so I think that this is strong. Okay, because of due to this kind of uh, experience here, which is I'm lost, so it's confirming it's strong. Then I follow the minor downtrend. Okay, and expect this as a strong bearish retracement, like bearish hammer, like a weak candle in the strong pressure after the pullback. And this is ranging, already touch, so this level will be weak level, but it actually is not. Okay, it can consolidate here, you see. Finally it's become weak, but this is consolidation process here, which is I'm expecting to be a strong downtrend, but it's not happening. But due to the safe entry point above the 1 deviation lower Bollinger Band, following the major and the minor trend, I can profit, but only with the safe entry point only. Okay, so the analysis here was wrong. This is not a strong retracement candle, this is a consolidation. Why is that happen? Because if this was weak, why this is making a weak candle here again, and this is already also 3 black cross. Okay, so it could happen a consolidation, especially in this kind of ranging downtrend. Okay, so the concept was nice, following the major, following the minor, but actually that the place was not in that. Okay, because the previous candle was not looking like strong. It could be looking like strong, but it also could be like this, like consolidation happening. So that is why I'm lost there, and I just continuing to the number 3. The number 3 was going loss here. The expectation should be a loss momentum of this following the major downtrend. Okay, but here was kind of not anymore the minor downtrend, which is the major still down but it's resting. Okay, so it looks like a consolidation, which is making this kind of fake breakout here. You see, so fake breakout, you see, retracement, pullback, and this is on a trend. So I'm here following the major downtrend against the minor strong uptrend. Okay, and expecting that this level 38.2, that is this candlestick closed exactly on that, you see, 38.2. and what happened was the temporary candlestick, like extra candle, or I call it like what it's called, it's a tentative candlestick. Okay, and the area honestly not in a good place, because the middle Bollinger Band is the weak level, or it's the weakest level from the deviation 1, deviation 2. Okay, so that is why the extra candle can happen here during this ranging. You see, ranging down again. But yeah, so that is happening. I should enter here. So this is a little bit of FOMO, and also not pay attention to this, because if the candlestick close at the level, you don't know how the strong trend it is. Okay, especially when we have like this after the retracement 2 candle. If this was 3 bullish candle, it should be a bearish here, because we align with the major, but due to this kind of retracement, so this is mean that the trend the minor trend also can happen here to break 38.2, and yeah, the price consolidate between the 38.2 and the 50. You see, its consolidation happen here. Basically it's just making a doji. Alright, because this is 50, this is 38, extra candle, tentative sell option, go up again, breakout, fake breakout again. Okay, and then fake breakout not confirmed by this one. Okay, so this is what happening on consolidation. So what we can learn from here, that this is kind of the example of a strong trend that make by or formed by this kind of chart pattern. What is that? Double bottom. Okay, neckline. It's not really broken, but it's making the extra because of this context, only because of the ranging context. So yeah, that was the ranging context that we against the minor trend. Okay, this is not lost momentum. It should be lost momentum, but in this kind of context it could be not. Okay, so because this is in the middle. If this was at the one division, it should be a bearish, could be. Okay, but that is the reason why it's lost, because we against the minor strong uptrend in kind of ranging market when the major downtrend is resting, and they actually making a consolidation and use 38.2 as the middle of the level of the consolidation. You see, they just go down and break up again, and this is consolidation. Okay, doji. So that is why I'm lost here. But yeah, lost because of not reading the market correctly when the ranging is already happening and it's not a minor downtrend again. Okay, it's ranging. So that is why the minor uptrend can take place even until broke the 50 EMA. So that is why I'm lost here. I'm not pay attention of a strong minor uptrend. Strong minor uptrend which is confirmed by the breakout of one deviation. So one deviation is breakout. This is the hammer, you see, and that is why the next three candle was a bullish one, because of this hammer, and this is strong position, broken one deviation in kind of ranging market. Okay, that is the theory, but in the life you may be not in that perception. So that is the reason why we have to learn more and more about this context. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.